Hi guys, and happy Friday, and welcome back to my channel. Today, you guys know I love dealing with minis and bundle stuff because, excuse me, you get to try different stuff. So on Sephora, they have Sephora Favorites, Give Me Some Lip. And they have these different lipsticks and lip glosses. I'm like, okay, if I'm wondering what's in it and how they look, thinking some of you guys are too. So it's really cute. It's a lip. With lips all over, and it's pink. And so let's talk about it. What is it? It is a multi-branded sampler set for creating the perfect lip. What it does, get summer's newest edition. Summer is almost up. I think, when does fall start? Tomorrow or like the 23rd or something like that? I didn't know this was summer, but that's okay. We're still gonna try it. This set includes 1 full size and 5 deluxe sizes of the newest lip must-haves in an array of finishes from matte to high shine and metallic. Liquid lipstick, gloss, lipstick, and a lip balm are all included, so you'll not only find your perfect shade, but you can also feel free to experiment with different formulas. That's why I love the mini type of or deluxe samples. I love that. All right, so let's open it up. First of all, the packaging is cute. The lip is cute. It's very cute. Open it up. It has little black stuff in there to hold it, and they're just in there. That's all. All right, well, let's just go down the line. So, Anastasia Beverly Hills, I have her other minis, her nude ones, that are kind of, they're not nude for me necessarily, but nude for some people, like a pinkish type of undertone. They have some pretty colors, and I still wear them. I now have a lot of lipsticks though, and so now I have a lipstick container that, because I've been buying so many lipsticks, that I'm like, oh, I have so many to choose from. So that's pretty great. And this looks like a bigger size of the mini. Oh, that's pretty. It's a pretty color. You know what? How about we go from light to dark? Because if this stains the lip, which I don't mind, it'd be better to do it last. So let's go for the glosses first, probably. That makes sense. Let's start off with the lightest one. Tarte H2O Gloss. Huh, okay, I've never, oh, that's cute. It has water beads down here, and it is it goes from like a goldish yellow to blue. That's really cute. H2O gloss, so the water dropping down. It's really inventive. I really like that. All right, let's try it. And it is in Bora Bora. Okay, so this has a purple pinkish iridescent type of look. It's pretty. It has the consistency of, I don't know if you guys remember, I don't know if Victoria's Secret still sell these, but way back, Victoria's Secret used to sell these thick glosses that would look like glass, but they were really thick and sticky. I still love them because they made my lips look glossy. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't do a lot of glosses on my channel just because I'm not big into glosses. If you guys want me to review some glosses or show some glosses, just let me know. You can always put them in the comments below. I'll do better at that though. But that's pretty, that iridescent, that purple. Yeah, you don't have to put on a lot or you'll get that. You see how I was getting the kind of, when I put my lip up, it's like that. You probably don't have to put as much on. But that's pretty. That's actually really pretty. I like it. I like it a lot. All right, let's try Urban Decay's Hi-Fi Shine Ultra Cushion Lip Gloss in SPL. And this looked like a pinkish shimmery thing. The other one was, the Tarte one was sticky. So my lips are still a little bit sticky from it as well. But it was still pretty. All right, this one is a pinky glittery type of, it is high shine. This isn't as sticky or as thick as the Tarte. And this is pretty. It's pretty. But it has glitter in it. With this one, you can see a lot of glitter on your lips. So I probably wouldn't put this much on my lips just because I don't like it to show just glitter. But that's just a personal preference. All right, so the lip glosses so far, I forgot to say about the Urban Decay. This feels like this has like Carmex, or it has something in it that makes your lips feel, let me not say Carmex, but it makes your lips feel not tingly, but just like there is some sort of something in it. The smell is also peppermint. Is that peppermint? I think that's peppermint. And so it gives it like a, yeah, it's interesting. It's interesting. All right, on to, wow, this is nice. Bite. This is just matte and it's soft. It's soft. So this is the Bite Beauty Prismatic Multi-Stick in Pink Pearl. This is very glittery. It's this is a brighter pinker than I would wear. And the consistency it goes on is more, it's not like a lipstick, it's more like a I don't know, it goes on kind of slick. But yeah, this is different for me, and it's glittery, and there isn't a point, so you definitely probably should use a brush or a lip liner or something because of the rounded edges, so you can't do a line on your lip. All right, next is this pretty, it's by, who is this by? Oh, KatVonD. This is cute and different. Nice packaging. KatVonD Beauty Studded Kiss Creme in Lovecraft. Okay, this is like a purple pinkish on me, and it goes on nice and smooth. It's more of a, it's soft and creamy. I like it. Okay, Grande Lips Plumping Liquid Lipstick in semi-matte, and it is in smoked sherry. I like the packaging. It's gold. You can see how much lipstick you have left, which I really like. Okay, so when I took it out, it looks dry. I'm like, okay, it says semi-matte. There's stuff on there, but it just looks dry. It goes on, the consistency isn't like a matte lipstick where it goes on and it's creamy and then it dries down. This is more of a lipstick. It smells different, not just different. Yeah, the smell is just different. But it's a Hydra Plump, so it's supposedly making my lips bigger, seemingly. So I'm assuming that's what the smell is from. The consistency is not my cup of tea. I'm not big on this type of consistency. So, you know, that's okay. That's why you try stuff, right? Okay, this made my lips tingle a little bit as well. And it wasn't from peppermint. But did it make my lips bigger? I don't know. Looking at them, just from looking at them, they didn't look any bigger, but I don't necessarily have the smallest lips to give that, you know, to tell you that, oh, my lips became so much more voluptuous. I mean, All right, let's go to the last one. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Matte Lipstick in Ruby. Color looks pretty. All right, so this is a pretty color. This is a pretty color. What I find with Anastasia's lipsticks is with her minis as well, is that it doesn't go on smooth per se. Even though my lips are dry from all the other ones, her lipsticks don't necessarily just glide on. It's you have to really push it in there and kind of, it's not a bad thing. It's just, it doesn't glide on. But I do like her lipsticks. This is a pretty color. I would wear this color. Yeah, this is definitely matte. And it's pretty. I like it. Yeah, so let me go ahead and swatch all of them because, of course, I forgot to do that. All right, guys, here are all of the swatches. And I would have to say my favorite gloss is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea H2O gloss. This one right here. I love the iridescence of it. It doesn't have really a lot of glitter. It has that purple, you look a different way, it's kind of pinkish highlight. I think it's really pretty. My second one, I love the consistency of the KatVonD lipstick. That was nice. It went on smooth, and that right here, that was really pretty. And I like the color of the Anastasia. It was my favorite color. I hope this helped you guys if you weren't sure if you wanted to pick this up and if you would use them and if they would work for you. But yeah, a lot of them will work for me. I hope this helped you guys. I hope you have an amazing weekend, and I will see you guys in my next video. Yeah, I have red lipstick on with the purple top. Bye.